Good morning students, welcome to the session on data structures. In our previous lecture we have started ADT operations on array and we have discussed reading the elements and displaying the elements and traversing back from your array, and then we have done with the searching function. And in today's lecture we will complete our insertion of element at a specified location. Okay, for this particular operation we need two input elements, like in which location you want to insert the element and what the element that you want to insert into your array. That is what we are going to see. For example, in our previous lecture we have discussed that we have taken an array like 4, 5, 6. We have inserted elements like 4, 5 and 6. Indices will be 0, 1, 2. Our size is 3. So this is the previous examples information. Now if I want to insert my new element at a particular location, then we will be having lot of movements that has to be done in your array. For example, if I want to insert my element at the location 1, or else at a location 2, if I want to insert my element called 7, then I need to make this space as free. Okay, so that I can insert 7 and I can insert 5 and 6 in my array. See, in order to do that, I need to free the location called 1. See, in 0 we will be having 4, in 1 we are having 5. In order to have the 7 in a second position, I need to free this location and then I need to have 5 and 6. This will become 2, this will become 3. See, in the previous example we are having a size called 3, now it will become 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Because we are inserting one more element. In order to do so, we are making the movements from a specified location to the right of that particular array. As I specified you people that A of 20 will be containing 20 elements, but our size is 3. I can insert still. Okay. In order to specify that your size is ended, you should check whether the size is reached your maximum size or not. If it is reaching maximum size, then you should say your programmer that you can't insert the elements again. This is the first rule that you should remember. Okay, why? Because if you are having 20 elements in your array, if you are trying to insert one more element at a specified location, your last element will be moved to your 21th location or as 20th location, which is not in the limit of your array. Then it will be not going to acceptable by your array. Okay, in order to not do so, we will be checking a condition whether size is greater than or equal to max size or not. If it is less than that, then only we will be allowing new people to enter the element into your array. If it is not, we will restrict them and we will be throwing a message that it is not possible. Okay, and even after that, when I am trying to insert the element into your array, see the movements. To the right of your array, we are making a movements into your array. See, if I want to insert the 7, I have made a movement for 6, I have made a movement for 5 also. Like that, if you are having number of elements, you people will be having number of movements. Say suppose if you are inserting the element at the first position, then you need to have n number of movements in your array. Why? Because n number of elements are there, no? Then n number of movements should be made, so that you people will be having the first space as free. Okay, that is what you should focus on. Now, coming to your program, I will be writing the program so that you people will be understanding by taking an example. See here, my return type is void. Why? Because my program, my function is not going to return anything. That is the reason I am writing it as void. My class name is array, scope resolution operator, and then see here, in this particular program, I am going to insert my element. This function name should be the same one as you have specified in your class, and it is accepting two inputs like location in which you want to insert your element and then the element that you want to insert in your array. Clear now? And then I am making a local variable for making the movements. Okay, and first of all, I will be checking the condition whether the size has reached its maximum size or not. If it is matching with this, then I will be restricting you people in order to enter the data into your array. And I will be saying, I will be throwing a message that sorry, you can't insert the element, or as array overflow. Array overflow. Like this, I will be throwing a message and I will be returning from this one particular function. I won't perform any operation. For that reason, I am returning nothing. Okay. And if it is not reaching the maximum size, then I will be making a movements. From where? As we have seen, I will be making the movements towards the right of your array. Okay. In order to do so, I will be repeating the loop by using for loop size -1. See here, last element should be moved to the next position. For that reason, I am starting it from last element by taking the size -1. Okay. And then I greater than or equals to location -1. See, if you are saying second location, means to say that you want to store the element at indices 1. For that reason, we are doing location -1. And then I am going with I minus. We will see how we will be implementing in your array. Okay. And then I am making this I plus 1. In the I plus 1 position, I want to make I. Okay. So I will be placing a of I in I plus 1th location. Okay. And then I will be closing it. I will be having only one statement. And then at a location -1, I will be placing my new element. Okay. See here, location -1. In this, I will be placing my element, whatever the element that you are going to specify. Elements. Okay. Okay. And then I will be making my size plus 1. Or else simply I can say I will be updating my size, I can say. Okay. Now try to understand this program by taking an example. In a previous example, we are having an array called A, in which we are having elements like 4, 5, 6. Indices will be 0, 1 and 2. If I want to insert the element at a second position and I want to insert the element like 7, then what this program is going to do? See here, size is 3, that we know already. 1, 2, 3. 3 greater than or equals to 20? No, it is not true. So we won't execute this part. If it is reaching 20, then I will be executing it. I will be coming out from it. But in this case, it is not true. So I am executing this part. I equals to size -1. Size is what? 3. Then it will become what? 2. I will become 2. 2 greater than or equal to location -1. Location is what? 2. 2 minus 1 will become 1. 2 greater than or equals to 1. Yes, it is true. Then I will be entering into the loop. And then here, what we are doing? A of I plus 1. I is what? 2. Then I plus 1 will become what? 3. And I will be making a space called A of 3. In this, I want to insert A of ith element. Means A of 2th element, that is your 6. Now in the next position I will be doing this 4, 5, and I will be making a free space here, and I will be moving that into your third location. Like this I will be inserting the element, and again I value will be decremented. I minus. See here, it is already 2, then it will become what? 1. 1 greater than or equals to 1? Yes, it is true. Then again I will be entering into the loop. I is 1. 1 plus 1 will become 2. That is this. In this particular location, I want to insert the element which is located in I. That is A of 1. A of 1 is holding what? 5. Then in the next stage, I will be converting my array like this. 0. 1 position will be the free one now. Okay. And in the second position and in the second location, I will be inserting 5 by this statement, and in the third position I will be inserting 6. Okay. Now the first position is free. See here, in the second location you want to insert your new element. First location, second location. In the second location I want to insert that. But before going to that, again I will be decrementing the value of I. I is 1 now, and again it will become what? 0. 0 greater than or equals to 1? No, it is not true. Now I will be coming out from this particular loop. Now observe this. In this step, location is what? 2. 2 minus 1 will become what? 1. A of 1. In A of 1, I want to insert my element. Element is what? 7. So my array will become what? 4, 7, 5, and then 6. My indices will be like this: 0, 1, 2, 3. I have updated my location. I have updated my element. See here, I need to update my size. Before to this, I am having a size called 3, but I have inserted one more element here. For that reason, I am making this size equals to size plus 1. That is 3 plus 1. Size will become what? 4. Now I am coming from this particular function. I have successfully inserted element called 7 at a specified location called 2. See, at the second position, I have inserted my 7. My array will become 4, 7, 5, 6 now. Like this, you people will be inserting the element at a specified location. You do remember that whenever you are going for insertion of element at a specified location, you people will be having lot of movements. Okay, in order to insert that particular element, every element should be taking a movement to its right, I can say, so that it will be making space for new element and it will be inserted at that particular location. Clear, I think so. I hope so you people will be getting it in an easy manner. If you are having any doubts, just let me know by your comments so that I can clarify you people. I will be continuing the next session. In the next session, we will be continuing with the deletion of element at a specified location and we will continue with the main function also. That's it for now. Thank you.